Jim King with King Piers out here at Kansas City, Missouri. We are in the process here of stabilizing the main floors of this home. Before we get ready to remove and replace the CMU block foundation walls, we're going to start here on this end wall. I got Armec coming over to protect this as we start removing. It's just attached in a couple of places. Right there, up here. We're going to undo those and try to remove this wall without damaging this, but I would sure prefer Armec to be here when we're doing it. So stay tuned as we get ready to stabilize this home and start removing this block, get it rebuilt for these folks. For all your foundation repair needs, call us 816-288-4373. You can go to our website, kingpiers.com.